going on, everyone? Got a 2016 BMW X1. Resetting the service reminders. Okay, so this car originally had an issue where we couldn't reset the service reminder. It kept telling us to set the clock. So you need to set the clock before you try to service the menu. Sometimes this can get reset, replacing the battery or whatnot, but you're gonna reset the clock through the radio here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go and press the menu button, and then you need to go into settings. Right here you'll see time and date. Go ahead and change the time, give it a date. Okay, as soon as you do that, you should notice that down here in the corner now you should have a time. Okay, that's the first thing you got to make sure you do, is you have a time and a date. Okay, that's kind of correct. All right, so if you want to reset, it says service due since forever. We just changed the oil. We're gonna go ahead and turn this guy off. We're gonna hit the start stop button once. We'll turn it all the way off. Start it up where you have check engine light on. Okay, now I'm gonna hit BC button over here to clear out the messages. Okay, now we're nice and clear here. Come over to this button here, press and hold it down, and it'll throw up some of the service menu. Okay, so here's the service menu here. If you hit the button, it'll go through the things that need to be serviced, okay, like in red. Okay, I just reset the brake fluid one, so as soon as you reset it, it's in green. I reset it before I started the video. But we needed to do the oil service, so we're gonna press and hold down to reset engine oil. I actually want to reset, let go, press and hold it down again. It'll say resetting in progress. And we're gonna do that for everything in red, but that's pretty much how you do this. All right, come on. Go to the next one. Let's see where we're at. Oh, we're all good here, okay. But yeah, a lot of people have a hard time doing this because they don't have the clock set, all right? So I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another BMW video.